Discover your own art style. Hi guys, I'm Mubin, and today I'm going to show you how to find your art style. Let's get started. Listen carefully. To find your art style, you need to do 4 things. The first thing, if you're serious about this, you must be more determined than you were yesterday, so you have to draw every day. Keep drawing consistently because daily practice helps make your hand movements smoother, so you won't hesitate when drawing anything. For example, I draw every day on your channel to improve my hand skills. Stop it! Now let's move to the second step. To decide what to draw every day, practice by drawing from mangakas. Focus on famous manga characters like Luffy, Naruto, Bleach, Tanjiro, Asta, and others. This will help you find your own art style. For example, I studied 3 major mangakas, Berserk, Blue Lock, and Bleach, and discovered my own style. This step is very important. Now let's move on to the third step. Listen carefully. In this step, you need to find a reference of a character and change the face according to your style or preference. It doesn't matter if you haven't fully developed your art style yet. Just go with what feels right in your mind, like this. Now we're at the most important and final step. In this step, take a reference of a body or any other image and try drawing a face from your imagination, adding your own details. Remember, using references isn't wrong. Even the best mangakas use them. But for this step, your goal is to draw without a reference like this. Like this. And as always, here's a little cheat. Take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw a speed line, make sure to watch this video. I'm Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.